Introducing the Sanford semi-automatic washing machine, SF8306WM. With a massive 15 kilograms wash capacity and 7 kilograms spin capacity, it's built for big family loads. The durable twin-tub design with a double-layer cabinet ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy powerful mixing and water flow with a peculiar hand-rubbing stream that removes tough stains while caring for your clothes. A smart lint filter, convenient water inlet selection, and energy-saving technology make every wash efficient. And with super quiet spinning power at 780 watts, laundry day is faster, easier, and more peaceful. Sanford. Powerful, durable, and reliable.